some of the templates that you'll be able to access for free when you attend the Canva mini workshop. They may be available before the workshop so that you can start playing around with them. But there's over 100 of them here, which will save you a lot of time. If I click into some of these, you'll see they're relatively complex, some of them, and they've already had the formatting and everything done for them. If you're wanting to change the colors to your brand, ideally you need to have your brand kit. So if I basically go over here and I go to where I've created my brand kit, I highlight this first slide and I select my brand kit, it will actually change the what the actual template looks like. If I want to apply it, so right now everything looks like this, yeah. So if I now go back to this one here and I go apply to all pages, it's now going to actually change every template in the group. So I'd go here, whatever I'm happy with, I'll then choose, and then I then go apply to all pages. It'll then change all 100 templates, as you can see. All of them have now changed. They're changing slowly. See, 111, there they go. So that happens in honestly under a minute. It's pretty cool. So all of these are editable. You can make them all your own brand. Like I said, in under a minute, you can actually see them changing in front of you right now. So yeah, come along. If you're interested in getting these beforehand, let me know. I'll make them available to you. And yeah, have a cool day. Cheers. Bye.